Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Cushion Tech here, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about why you should take AP Computer Science in high school. AP Computer Science in high school is one of the easiest and best AP classes you should take. AP Computer Science is a really popular computer science class and all that, and like for and like AP Computer Science class is the most, in my opinion, the most interesting computer science class, and it can help you yield you so many benefits. All right, sit back, enjoy, and watch the show. AP Computer Science class is only one of the few high school classes that are useful. Even for people who are not going into computer science, it can still help them in a wide variety of things. It can help them with their problem solving skills. It can help them it can help them use it can help them with their logic skills. It can help them with creativity. It can help them with critical thinking skills. It can help them with their math skills. It can help them solve tech problems. It can help them solve. It can make their life easier. It can help them solve like wide variety of problems because of that. AP Computer Science helps improve logic, like your logic skills and all that, because like it has programming, coding, and like coding, let's say, requires logic, and the more you code and the longer you code, let's say you're gonna be coding in AP Computer Science for a whole entire year, and because of and because of all that, like let's see, and because of the coding and all that, your logic will improve, and with improved logic skills, it'll be easier for you to, in your real life, to solve problems in like real life situations and all that. And logic is a really important skill. AP Computer Science will help your math skills. Like for instance, like it helped me improve my PEMDAS skills. I had zero, like before taking AP Computer Science, I had zero knowledge of what PEMDAS was and all that, and how order of operations work, and with coding and all that, and with I was able to understand, and with coding I was able to understand like based on precedence and all that. I was able to understand and all that, and the ASCII table helped me improve my math skills a lot by understanding like if lowercase a is greater than uppercase b, which is true and all that, because like it helps, because lowercase a is like 96, lowercase b is 66, so like and like all that. Let's see, AP Computer Science improved my math skills a lot based on coding and all of that, because like coding requires math. I learned what modulus was and remainders was, and remainders were like a lot easier for me in real life situations because of this. Coding improves your critical thinking skills by a lot, because like coding requires a huge amount of critical thinking skills, and since coding requires critical thinking, like so much critical thinking, you're gonna have to learn how to like code on your own time and all that. Like let's see, coding requires so much critical thinking and all that, and because coding requires so much critical thinking and all that like it'll improve your critical thinking skills outside of the class, like in working in restaurants, working in food, work in other classes and all that. It'll help you improve your critical skills and thinking skills and all that. Coding also helps improve your problem solving skills and all that. Like there's so many problems on LeetCode and other like coding platforms, and like in like AP Computer Science class we'll have coding problems and all that, like questions and all that, and you put your problem solving skills and all that. Like it teaches you how to break down your problems into smaller steps. When you're coding, you're faced with often complex problems, and like you need to, let's see, break them down into smaller steps to solve one problem at a time, rather than solving everything at once. Because like if you like because like if you like, let's see, break down problems into like smaller steps and all that, that into like smaller steps and all that, and if you solve one problem at a time in per step, it'll improve your solving skills a lot. Coding helps you break down your problems into like smaller steps, like because like I mean like it helps you tech solve like variety of tech problems and all of that. It enables a computer you to tell how computers perform specific tasks and solve problems. You can develop innovative solutions that can enhance business efficiency. You can understand how efficient the code is through O of N. Like if like you can learn how to solve like buffer problems. You can solve like buffer overflow problems. You can solve like memory space problems and all that and you can understand what's the problem because like the code in the code in each like software and is giving up too much memory, and you may have to delete some of the useless software and all that, just in case, like if there are Wi-Fi problems, there are internet problems, there are network problems and all that. You'll have to learn how to troubleshoot these problems by like going into like let's see, deleting all the space, like empty slash tabs that are not being used and all that, which can, let's see, make the Wi-Fi faster. You'll have to turn off all devices and all that, which will make you faster. Like you'll have to learn how to troubleshoot these technology issues and all that. Everyone uses technology these days, and because everyone uses technology and everything uses technology these days, we need to learn how to code and to understand how the computer works and all of that, and we need to understand like how to we need everything's in using computers to stand. We need to understand how a computer works. We need to understand like how to fix like problems if like tech problems occur in the workplace and all that. We need to understand why computers do certain things and all that. Let's see, can let's see let's see, AP Computer Science can impress many colleges and universities. For example, if you take like any AP class, including AP Computer Science and all that, they'll be impressed by you, and like they'll give you, and there's a higher chance and advantage you might get in. Like for example, if you're applying for computer science and if you took AP Computer Science, they'll more likely accept you over like the other like applicants who did not take AP Computer Science because like they want to, let's see, make sure, because like let's see, they know you'll do good in computer science because you have more computer science experience than the other like applicants and all of that. Let's see, AP Computer Science can help you get college credit and can get you college credit and all that. Like for example, like if you pass the AP exam for college credit and all that, like let's see, and all that, let's see, you can like let's see, like get AP credit, and it can save you time in college, and it can save you money in the tuition and all that. You can graduate college quicker. You can finish your start your major classes quicker and all that. Like you can like let's say if you like get a passing score on the AP Computer Science exam, you can skip the intro to programming class and go to data structures, or like get data structures, and after that everything will open up for you, and after that, and you'll be able to graduate on time, and you'll be able to do more computer science stuff quickly from doing AP Computer Science and all that. Let's see, AP Computer Science can help you in college in a wide variety of ways, because like it'll make the coding assignments easier for you when you go to college. Like, for instance, when I took AP Computer Science and I passed the exam, coding was a lot easier for me in college and all that compared to high school. I was able to finish my coding projects and within less than like an hour, within less my intro to programming coding assignments within like less than an hour or two without any help and all that. Let's see, it'll help you in your math classes. Like it helped me in my discrete mathematics class and all that. It also helped me in some of my programming, let's see, topics and all that, and I managed to get an easy A in my first two programming classes because I took AP Computer Science in high school and all that. And I learned so many new things from taking AP Computer Science during high school and all that. AP Computer Science helps you in your career and all that, such as like it helped me improve my programming skills in my career and all that. It helped me solve like variety of tech problems in my career and all that because of AP Computer Science and AP Computer Science can help you like in your career and like such as your problem solving, your logic, your critical thinking skills and all that. Help it helps you like let's see like in a wide variety of things and all that. AP Computer Science helps you work faster given that like your problem solving skills and your critical thinking skills have improved. It helps you work faster because like you can develop your own software to do like some certain calculations for you and all that, and you can develop some software and all that. Like if you can like if you can it can help you in your software and all. It can help you with your software and all that. Let's see, helping helps you create software that'll help you in the workplace. For example, AP Computer Science will like let's see will help you will learn how to code, and because of that, you can apply your own coding skills and logic to like create some new software that'll help you. For example, if you're trying to let's see get like a YouTube stats count like oh how many like views I need to reach 4,000, you can create a software that can like a website, a calculator, and all that can count like how many views you need to reach 4,000 watch hours and all that and like how many views you need. Like it can help you like improve your calculations and all that in a wide variety of means, because typically for every 100 views you get one watch hour, and you can create a calculator for that not just for doing math problems but for calculating certain things and all that. We live in a digital era because like everything uses computers these days and everything uses technology these days. We live in a digital era and we need to get used to technology like changing everything. So AP Computer Science can help us, let's see get adapt to the digital era and all that, since like it only uses technology, nothing else and all nothing else and all that. And like AP Computer Science uses technology in a wide variety of like ways and all that. AP Computer Science can help you boost your GPA and all that because it's an AP class, and like the more AP class and honors classes you take, the higher GPA you'll get. It can boost your GPA by one. Like let's say if you get an A in computer science, an A is worth 4 points, and like but if you get an A in an AP class, it's 5 points. So like you'll get a 5 and like 5 point you'll get like 5 points, and like there's a higher chance you may get a 5 like above a 4.0 GPA. Let's see, the highest GPA I've ever gotten in a semester was like a 4.6 because I took so many AP classes that semester in high school and all that. Let's see, AP Computer Science has a higher chance of getting a scholarship and all that. There are higher chances that you'll get like scholarships and all that because the more AP classes you'll take, let's see, the higher chance you'll get a scholarship because like you've invested so much money in the AP class and all that, and like they'll want to let's see think they didn't want your money to go. They want your money. They want to give you your money. They want your money back and all that like let's see, AP classes can help provide rigor that can increase your eligibility for merit scholarships and could put yourself in for departmental scholarships throughout your college journey and all that. AP Computer Science is one of the easiest AP classes that you'll ever take. On top of a high pass rate, there's also like there's less work and all that. There's less work and all that. There's compared to an average AP class, there's less studying compared to an average AP class and all that. There's like most there's let's see, you can easily you can it's the easiest class to prepare for, and it's the easiest class to self teach yourself prior to, like, let's see, to doing any of the other classes and all that. Let's see. AP Computer Science is the AP class with the least amount of homework and all that, because there's no homework, because like you're only going to be like coding programming assignments in class during class time, and like you can get them done within a period of 2 to 3 days and all that. And those programming assignments are just really easy, just coding and all that. There's no like worksheets and all that empty homework. It's just programming assignments, and then you'll be quizzed on, you'll be tested on and all that. You're just doing programming assignments in class and all that. And you can get everything done quickly in class, unlike any math class where you have to do like most of the homework outside of class and all that.